All right, fam, it is go time. I am opening my package from Simplified. I'm so excited. So I have loved Simplified and Emily Lay, its founder, since forever ago, and have followed the growth of their brand. And they started with planners and now have all these amazing other fun products. And oh boy. So the cookbook, I already pre-ordered the cookbook, so I probably will do some sort of giveaway. Oh, look at that, so pretty. Meal plan, shopping list. Oh man.
It's amazing.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So yeah, it looks like it's not just recipes, which there are lots of recipes and they all are simplified, you know, I think six or five fewer ingredients. But this book is meant to help the busy mom, the busy parent who is trying to just get dinner on the table and to feed your people, because apparently we have to keep feeding our people every day, 3 meals a day. So make ahead meals. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for all of it. Oh my gosh, what is this? It's like a recipe book. Oh my goodness. Look at this, buddy, that's so cool. It's like a recipe book binder.
Is that for you to write recipes?
It looks like, oh, there's like pockets and stickers. Oh, yeah. So this is like, okay, mommy's gonna have to go get her binder, and we're getting a binder upgrade. All right. So this is the current mommy binder situation, which same format. We got sleeves, but it's mostly like papers and notes from meals. So Chex Mix, Thanksgiving last year, my chili, all these other recipes that I've written. Buddy loves chili. Oh, what an upgrade this is gonna be to this beautiful book. Oh, I'm so happy and this is so exciting. I can't wait to share more recipes with you. The book is coming out March 4th. You can order it now where you can buy books. I can't wait for you all to get a hold of this book. And I can't wait to try some of these fun simplified recipes, because even though I am a retired / recovering chef restaurateur, I like easy cooking these days because we are busy, we got stuff to do. I don't want to spend all day in the kitchen these days unless it's for some special occasion. So having these on hand is gonna be amazing. What do you think, bud? You excited?